everybody, hope you're enjoying your isolation period. We've been doing lots of creating. We've got some gorgeous Frangipanis that we're working on at the moment, nice and easy, and we've just been using our 20mm stained glass tiles. I love using these because they're flat both sides and they cut beautifully. So what you need to do is start with having 5 petals. So I've got 4 done already, and all you need to do is you want to cut 3, a little bit off each corner, so 3 corners. I'm just cutting a little bit. That's going to be your 5 petals, and do that to 5 tiles. And then what you want to do is just round off, soften those points there. Because we don't have a grinder, we can use our cutters on an angle. So make sure they're sharp. You can actually turn the wheels over the time if they get blunt. There's a little screw here, get an Allen key, loosen it up and tighten if you find that they're getting a little bit blunt. So I find on an angle it helps to just get like a little grating sound. So you just want to take off those little points there. And you hear that noise, it's just, I'm just slowly just grinding away just to soften off that point. So on an angle again, and keep your hand right at the back of your cutter, just easy leverage. See, that just rounds it off a little bit like that. So we'll do the rest. You hear that noise, just ever so slightly. Right, we're going to speed this one up a wee bit. Same thing on an angle, that just gives you a nice little grinding, just picking away at it. And that's our petals. So what you're going to do now is to take a couple of scoop cuts out of them so we can arrange them nicely. So we're going to have one that's going to be the straight one, which will be this one. We'll pop that down there. Next time, hold your cutter on an angle, scoop out a little cut like that. That's going to sit in there. Same next time with that one. So they just sit in nicely. Same thing with that one. And again. And that's your little frangipani. You can leave them like that, or if you want to put a little centre in, I've just used a little bit of yellow shimmer. Just cut down a tiny little bit of glass. Just a little small square is all you need. And go back through, just take off the very end, just ever so slightly. So just enough for them to sit back in nicely there. And last one. And that is your Frangipani. Now to do the leaves, same thing again, pick up your tile, starting with this is a 20mm tile, just cut 2 corners off. Soften those points, so cut it on your angle again. And that's one leaf. You want to make it a little bit different, we can do this on here. We've just put little cuts in each one. So same thing again, using that same sort of principle, cutting your corners off, shaping the leaf pattern. Put your cutter in the middle, slice it down, and just hold it. You want to make sure that you do one at a time, so that way when you cut each piece it doesn't flip over and you lose which way it's got to go. So I'm going to do a cut here, putting it down gently in the next one. So I'm just doing one petal at a time. It makes it hard if it flips over, so you want to make sure you've got the same sequence going there. There you go, and cut it back that way. And that's when it gets tricky, is when it flips over. So just do hold on to that one. And that there is a nice little leaf. And if you just glue them down with a little bit of a gap between each one, it's going to give you like the veins of a leaf. Yeah, there you go. I hope you like those. Just some nice little simple projects to do. And stained glass is great to use. It doesn't crumble when you're cutting it, so it's good for flowers and different sorts of things. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy that and enjoy your day. Thank you.